Alright, so I'm not gonna lie. I know I don't be posting no more. But yeah, the same day I made this Valley video, it's the same day. Damn, my fault. It's the same day I'm gonna make this jessr video. So yeah, this the beat I made, and everything here I've made it pretty much. But yeah.
Don't waste my time on what I want, what I stay. When I walk, what I lay. So I talk, you hear me lit. I don't want a day hard. My baby give me face on. My baby, I get paper. I know I love the song. Bitch, don't give me enough.
Damn, my fault. I ain't mean to be that loud and whatnot. But yeah, it's the jessr preset, it's the ellipse, the reverb, everything accurate. But I can't put the reverb on right now because if I do, it's gonna sound off. It's gonna sound a little weird. But yeah, you'll see when you get the preset. Like I said, bro, if y'all need 21, DM me. $5-10, bro. Like better than paying 200. But yeah, so I had these presets done already for like a while now. It's just like, feel me? I decided to do this shit now. But yeah, look, this the jessr shit. Let me make sure this shit working. Alright, then we gonna close this. Bro, my fault, bro. But yeah.
Playing bed with the lights off, but I can't feel it all. His shit gon' call me late night. So I can't feel this far, but I can't talk so hard, cause I don't see gon' break my heart. So I can't feel it all.
So yeah, that's the hold on. That's the that's the jessr preset, you feel me? Like as y'all can see, he don't got no noise gate, but his like I'm pretty sure like his shit's turned down. Like, you feel me? If you got hella noise in your background, bro, just you need the noise gate. You need a noise gate in general, but unless it depend like what like how your room noise is and all that. But you feel me? This is just like, yeah, like the preset already come with it. It's all everything's like you don't really got to tweak nothing much. The ad libs too, the libs. Y'all gonna get the libs, the main, and yeah, that's it. So this the jessr preset. Like I said, y'all need 21. Just DM me.